Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to remove a background noise on your HyperX Quadcast S. And now, you can actually go and adjust some of these, microphone's default settings through the mic's inbuilt adjustment knobs they have available on the outside. Now, for example, you can go ahead and utilize their four polar pattern modes they have, so you can select up to 4 of them. Each one has a different audio pickup technology. Okay, so you regulate this pickup frequency, right, and sensitivity of this HyperX by pushing the knob at the bottom toward the left or right. And the higher the gain it is, the stronger the audio the HyperX will pick up from a greater distance. And it also has a mute functionality. And for quick user access, they have this functionality. You just tap the top of the microphone, and basically, if the LED backlight goes off, it means that HyperX has entered mute mode. And it must be tapped again to unmute. So remember, if the LED backlight is off, then that is probably muted, or there's an issue with the Quadcast power source, right? Now, it's also extremely important to configure the Quadcast audio settings through the microphone configuration of your desktop device. Okay, so you come here to your sound settings, go to recording, choose a device, go to properties, and then what you want to do, guys, is click on advanced, okay, and locate the default format section. Then you want to find the default format and set that to 2-channel 16-bit 4800 Hz. This is basically DVD quality. Enable both the checkboxes under a default format menu in advance, and just regulate the microphone's input through the levels tab within the menu. And what you can also do is you can do this on the Mac OS as well, right? So you just go ahead and click on the system preferences through Apple's menu. After that, you navigate to sound and then press on input. Just select the HyperX Quadcast from the microphone menu, right? And configure the Quadcast input volume from the menu, the input level from the menu, and set up, use ambient noise reduction. So this will basically stabilize the input. And you can also do this in OBS Studio as well if you're recording. Okay, this is what I have done. So you just modify the settings of your microphone through OBS. This can, help improve the input quality significantly, and also resolve your background noises, buzzing sounds, right? So to access this, right, you go to the settings of a Quadcast, open up YouTube and OBS Studio on your device, find the settings icon and select filters. Now here, right, next to Quadcast under audio mixer, you'll automatically redirect to the settings menu of the microphone. Here you can choose a different filters. For one, we have a noise suppression. Now this filter basically regulates the rate at which the microphone picks up the background noises or produces static noise. So if you want optimal performance for your PC, set the feature to R and a noise. So this will give you good quality, but it will take more CPU usage, right? The other ones do take less CPU usage, but the quality is not that great. It's very negligible, okay? And you come here, you can also set up a noise gate, basically helping the Quadcast from picking up noise from your keyboard or mouse. You just go ahead and configure a close and open a noise gate threshold. For optimal performance, you can use these settings we have available here, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.